If you need a website and you don't know where to start, this video is definitely for you, because in this video I want to show you Site123, one of the best and easiest website builders for the moment. And when I'm saying this is easiest, really I do think so. Why? Because it's intuitive, it's comprehensive, it's absolutely free, so you can build your website for free right today. In this video, we're gonna take a look at an editor, and I'm gonna show you the process of how to edit your website if you want to build it really fast without an extra efforts. So really, by far, Site123 is the easiest free website builder. This is absolutely truth. So you can pick from beautiful website templates right away. It's already built. It's already pre-built for you. It's already done. You just need to customize the layout for your own needs, depend on what are you building. There are really interesting features. Editor is no coding required. It's absolutely simple, and you're gonna find out it in just a couple minutes. It's mobile friendly. All the websites built inside editor of Site123 are adaptive to any type of device. And you don't need to build separate websites for the mobile versions. For example, they provide free hosting, free web hosting. That's also great. They have SEO tools to optimize your website to be more visible to search engines, and they provide you with a custom domain. You can choose and register custom domain to really be visible to build your own brand, let's say like that. And you can sell online using Site123. You can build e-commerce shop, and this is absolutely great option for those who want to start their own business. Guys, let's not waste time. It's really easy, like 1, 2, 3. You can easily start with this start here button. I already do have an account, so let's go inside. Here you go. When you logged in to Site123, you will have opportunity to create new website. Just need to press this button, create a website, and the system will ask you what kind of a website do you want to build, or it's going to be business, or it's online store, blog. So all the interesting and useful and more common website options, they are right here. So let's let's press health and wellness, for example. First of all, you need to add your health and wellness website name. Let it be, I don't know, yoga class, for example. Open a website. There's a small tutorial video if you know nothing about how to build a website and you don't know how to use all the editor. Here you can watch the tutorial. We're gonna skip it. Okay, first of all, this is an editor. You have the header, you have homepage, you have about, you have schedule booking, and contact page. All right, let's edit. We do have pages, design, settings, and domain. Let's start from pages. Let's take a look. What do we have here? And we have 4 pages, and the same 4 pages you can see here at the header, about, schedule booking, and contact. If you need to add something, for example, we don't have a team right here. Let's add a team that's behind this project. Here you go, team. Just pressing on it, and it's right here. To move this section, let's say that we need the team right after the schedule book. We're just grabbing it here and moving to the spot where it needs to be. If you don't need some of this position, some of these pages, you just can delete them easily. When pressing add new page, you have a lot of useful options: portfolio, gallery, promo, team, features, charts, and so on. So all that you may need to build your website, there's number counter, countdown, and so on. A lot of tools that may be really handy depending on what you want to build, what kind of a website you're building. Charts, image comparison, and so on. It depends again on what you're building. Portfolio looks like that. Sales, if you wanna build e-commerce store. Team, and different types of a layout. Look at that. Team can look like that. Team can look like that. So on. Features, also different types, different icons, different layouts. It's up to you which one to choose. It's up to you. FAQ, charts, so on. I showed you how to add a new page. Testimonials, for example, let's add this one. Testimonials out there. We're gonna grab it and put it there before the contact. Okay, now we have the design button. Here you can find colors, fonts, header, footer, mobile, and website structure. Let's press colors. This is one of my favorite. You can change a color scheme of your website just literally in one click. Here you go. Here you go. This is really cool. This is really cool. I like it so much. So it's simple, easy, absolutely intuitive, and just if you ever build a website, Site123 is just best option. Fonts. Here you can change fonts all over the website. For example, I need this fonts here, and they're changed. Or to this one. So fonts, header. You can show phone numbers in the header. You can show email. And here you go. Those icons here, they're clickable. So on. So you can edit all the things here as you want. The footer also. And if you're unhappy with the background here, for example, you can press background settings and you can search for pictures. They are free. I love this one, for example. Here you go. The picture's changed. All the text, all the options to work with the text, colors, and all the things you can find right here. You can change the font size, text size, letter spacing, and so on. So you just need to play around with all these tools to find your best, your suitable layout for the website that you want. All the things can be changed. You can find on each element, you can find the edit button. And with this button, you can choose image, library, yoga. Okay, let's be like that. You can add some images here. Don't forget to save. Here you go. So everything is absolutely simple and easy, and you can change all the things here that you want for your own taste. You can change layouts. You can change the text size and so on. You just need to really play around with this, with all these tools, because this is absolutely simple and absolutely easy for any human being on the planet. Also, you do have settings, website name, type, country, local, and paid options like website languages. And of course, you can connect your own domain name to be more visible and to be higher in the search engine results. This will affect your business for sure. Your website will be more trusted to the visitors, because right now we do have such temporary subdomain that looks like just numbers and letters. So definitely domain name will help you a lot. So guys, this is pretty it. You just need to play around with your website. You can build it really fast and without an extra effort. So all the pictures are there, all the things that you need are there, all the pages that you may need also are there, and this is for free. So make sure to check it out. All the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed it and hope this was useful. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.